side is grounded, and the discharge is on the tip of the needle, which is a grounded tip, right? So the discharge is not a function of the voltage itself, but it is the electric field strength around, even if it is a grounded type of electrode like a needle. The same type of corona can be around a grounded object, and I think that it's interesting to note that there is a voltage difference, but there is a very sharp needle, and around that here is this ion electron mixture, and even if it is grounded, there is the corona source. So I think that I could turn the light off, but again, we don't want to spend the 2-3 minutes that because it is so dark and so faint that you don't see it when it is there. But gradually, that partial discharge is proceeding into a